Hello, today we're going to learn how to use the draw features in Helperbird's PDF reader. Find the pencil icon, click draw. Here you have a variety of shapes and lines, colors, and stroke sizes. Click to change between 2, 4, 6, or 8-point stroke size. You also have undo to undo all the marks you've made, and clear all with the trash can icon, which will remove all marks from the drawing feature. Let's try a couple out. First, we'll have the pen tool selected. We'll choose a color, let's say green. And here we can just write and draw whatever we want on the PDF. Next is a rectangle option, which will draw rectangles in the color and stroke size that you choose. Let's try an oval with a smaller stroke size. There's also a line tool and an arrow tool. If you want to move a mark that you've made, click the hand icon for select and move, and then click on the mark object that you want to move. And you click and drag and then unclick and it will stay put. You can also delete your mark with the little red X icon. If you want to undo something you've done, click the undo button. And if you want to just get rid of everything on the page, hit clear all. Now, let's say you have made some marks and you want to save your PDF with the marks that you've drawn. Look to the top of the page for this icon of a page and down arrow symbol. Click download. Click original only to download the PDF without any marks, or with my changes to download the PDF with the marks that you've made. And that's how you use the new drawing features in Helperbird's PDF reader.